Understanding when things hit the fan, an idiomatic exploration. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore the meaning, usage, and origins of the phrase, when things hit the fan. So, if you've ever wondered what this intriguing expression means, you're in the right place. The phrase, when things hit the fan, is used to describe a situation where suddenly, problems and difficulties become very severe and noticeable. It's often used in contexts where these problems cannot be ignored anymore and have to be addressed. This idiom paints a vivid picture. Imagine something messy striking a fan and spreading chaos all around. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. As soon as the audit results were revealed, things really hit the fan in the office. 2. Everything was fine until the news of the financial crisis hit the fan. In these sentences, the phrase indicates a point where a situation becomes critical or uncontrollable. The exact origin of when things hit the fan is a bit murky, but it's widely believed to have emerged in the mid-20th century. It possibly originated from military slang and was later adopted into everyday language. The fan in the phrase likely represents a normal, steady state, and when something hits it, that steady state is disrupted, causing a mess or chaos. It's important to note that this phrase is somewhat informal and can be seen as a bit crude or blunt. It's best used in casual conversation. In formal writing, it may not be suitable for formal contexts, like official reports or serious business meetings. And there you have it. Now you know what it means when someone says that things have hit the fan. It's a colorful way to describe a situation where problems have suddenly become very serious and impossible to ignore. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds another interesting idiom to your English vocabulary arsenal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English language learning content. See you in the next video.